Hello everyone. So few days back I shared a video about SharkNinja just before the release of their Q3 2024 results. Not that SharkNinja Q3 2024 results are out. Let's go through the results together and see how they performed against the expectation and what is their revised forward-looking guidance. Now let us look at the key highlights from the Q3 2024 earning release. For Shark Ninja, the adjusted net sales has grown by 35%. The adjusted EBITDA grew by 26%, increasing to 262 million. The net adjusted gross margin has increased by 160 basis points to 49.4%. The growth in the North America in terms of net sales is 26% year on year, while the international net sales has grown by 62%. The overall net sales increased by 33% to 1.4 billion in Q3 2024. The GAAP gross profit has increased by 43% to 695 million, and the adjusted net income increased to 170 million or $1.21 per share. The cash balance has decreased and it now stands at 128 million, and the total debt outstanding is 965 million. Also, the inventories have increased now and it stands at 1.08 billion. That is 36% increase to comparable quarter last year. Now, Shark Ninja just updated their outlook, and Shark Ninja is increasing its outlook on all the key metrics. The net sales to is expected to increase to 25 to 26% compared to the prior outlook, which they shared was around 20 to 22%. They have also updated their net sales, adjusted net sales outlook. Now it stands at 27 to 28% increase versus the prior expectation of 22 to 24. In terms of adjusted net income per diluted share, that has gone up to 4.13 and 4.24, reflecting a 28 to 32% increase compared to their earlier guidance, which was $4.05 to $4.21, and it was 26 to 31% increase. So their guidance on the adjusted EBITDA now stands at 925 million and 945 million, which is reflecting an increase of 29 to 31% increase versus the earlier guidance of 910 million to 940 million. Now, this earlier guidance was given a quarter back, so it means every quarter they are constantly upgrading their guidance and taking it further higher. This again points towards the fact that SharkNinja expects to land at a much better position by end of the year compared to their earlier forecast. It is worth highlighting here that post the release of their Q3 2024 results, the stock price went down from 110 to 90. That was not something I was expecting. But let's go through some of the negatives that were highlighted in the results. And do we really think that those negatives are justify the drop that happened post the results announcement? So some of the key negative points are the impact of Section 301 tariffs that negatively affect the gross margins for SharkNinja, although it was mitigated by other factors. Now, what is 301 tariffs? These are the taxes and the import duties that the US government apply on certain countries. In case of SharkNinja, that basically refers to China related tariffs. Since SharkNinja has some of the operations in China, so this is one of the area where it has negatively impacted them. However, SharkNinja is actively diversifying its supplier base, and they are shifting it to other countries in Southeast Asia. The other negative points are the company is anticipating inventory-related constraints. Then it has already hit some of its product like Slushy, Crispy, and Cafe Lux, and which is limiting them from capturing the full demand in Q4. In addition to it, it is also experiencing temporary impacts on sales in Mexico due to the transition to a direct model. The other two major items are the uncertainty in the macro environment, primarily resulting from the geopolitical unrest and the upcoming US elections in a couple of days. In one of the interviews post the release of the results for Q3, SharkNinja CEO was asked this question: how does he see the stock performance post the results announcement since it tanked? His answer was that the individual day-to-day movement has a lot of factors to contribute, but his top line and his bottom line performance is solid, and that we just saw in the video as well. Now, based on what we just saw in this video, I am still very optimistic about SharkNinja And I believe that in the coming quarters and full year, the SharkNinja price has a lot more potential to go back up to the level of 115 to $120 a share. However, before investing, please always do your due diligence and make an informed decision. Thank you.